Hey folks, this is Adam with Apple Drain, South Florida, over here at a home in the Oakland Park area of Fort Lauderdale. These folks called us out to help them with a deco drain issue, a micro channel drain on their patio, their pool deck. So come on, let's check it out. Let's see what we got going. Hey guys, so these folks had called us out to their home because of a clogged micro channel drain on their pool patio. Let me bring you on back and show you what we got going on. South Florida home, nice little private backyard here. And what's very common is we have these micro channel drains. Now this micro channel drain, as you can see, we've got a couple little notches here to accommodate that little sill. So we've got a couple little corners to go around. And we've got a 90 degree corner there. But we've got this micro channel drain that was completely stopped up. Filled with sand, silt, a lot of organics, a lot of organic material, and also a lot of root systems as well. The roots really love me. They have a way of finding me. So we had cleaned this drain just now. What we have is a micro jet nozzle hooked up to a pressure washer that's 2,900 psi, basically 3,000 psi pressure washer. And we've got a micro channel drain here that was completely clogged up. I had to excavate some area over here just to accommodate a little extra runoff from all that water that gets backed up through that jet. Hey guys, this is Adam with Apple Drain, South Florida. Just wrapping up this micro channel drain job. We're unclogging this micro channel drain for these folks in Oakland Park area, Fort Lauderdale. And there was this root head sitting at the bottom of this micro channel drain. And I was trying to get at it, so I started drilling at it with this bit that I have, and I got it loose. And check this out. This was all the way fed inside of this micro channel drain. Look at this root. Look at how long these roots just find the water, and they just go where the water is, and they just keep going and going and going and going. Look at this root. This is amazing. This root was all the way buried, and we're still going. All the way buried inside. Look at that root. Let's measure this root out. What a nice root. So this root was looking for water and got in the bottom of that micro channel drain. How cool is that? Check out this root, guys. This thing's got to be 12 feet long. This was in the bottom, sitting in the bottom of that deco drain, the channel drain, compacted down with all that sediment and all that soil. What a cool root. Look at that. Healthy.
So there's a couple of problems here. Number one, that micro channel drain is far too close to the foundation wall. I mean, you can see they put it right up on the wall. The next one is the discharge of this channel drain. There is none. This is typical. Most pool patios, the lanai, the installers, they just lay this channel drain out and let it discharge to the ends of the concrete. They don't add a drain. And of course, over time, sediment, soil builds up and it blocks the drain. That causes all kinds of problems and allows that root to enter into your system. And if you notice, Adam had to dig out a channel just to get this thing to drain. He ran the jetter through there, and of course the water has no place to go. So he basically just dug out a little channel to allow that water to escape from the channel drain. And compounding the problem, you can see the sidewalk has created its own moat around the entire area. So several problems exist here. The biggest problem really is that channel drain is right up against the foundation. And if it backs up, all of that water will end up under the floor and into your home. Number two is that there's no discharge. There's no place for this water to go. Remember, that sidewalk is acting like a moat and not allowing the water to escape. Hey, just a quick note. Hurricane season is just around the corner. I urge you to get on our schedule. Get to the service sign up online, and we'll get you into the schedule. Solve those problems before the hurricane comes. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.